In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a site from your Wix account by moving it to the trash, along with a few tips to keep things tidy and avoid surprises. First, make sure you're viewing all your sites in your Wix dashboard. Look for the All Sites or All Items view so you can see every project tied to your account. If you manage multiple sites or work in a shared workspace, this view helps you pick the right one at a glance. Take a moment to identify the exact site you want to remove. Check the site name, the thumbnail, and any labels you've added. It's always worth a quick pause here, especially if you have several similar projects. Next, hover over the site you want to delete and click the three dots to open the Actions menu. This menu is where Wix keeps the key options for managing a site without opening the editor. If you're even a little unsure, consider previewing the site first or double checking recent edits so you know you're selecting the correct one. Once you're confident, continue with the Actions menu. From that menu, choose Move to Trash. This is the safe way to remove a site from your active list without instantly erasing everything. Moving a site to the trash takes it out of your main workspace, and it won't appear alongside your other active sites anymore. It's a great option when you're cleaning up old drafts, test builds, or projects you've wrapped up. You'll see a prompt to confirm the action, and that's intentional, to prevent accidental removals. When the confirmation appears, click. Move to trash again to finalize it. After you confirm, the site will disappear from your active sites list, and you'll have a cleaner, more focused dashboard. If you collaborate with a team, this also helps avoid confusion by removing sites that are no longer in use. Keep in mind that moving a site to the trash doesn't cancel any separate billing items, like a premium plan or a domain connected to your account. Those are managed independently, so review them separately if needed. That's it. You've successfully removed the site by moving it to the trash. If you change your mind shortly afterward, you can usually restore a trashed site, so think of this as a reversible cleanup step. Take a quick look at your remaining projects to confirm everything looks as expected, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.